My name is Ayamide and welcome back to our channel. The name of our story is Femi's Epic Saga. Chapter 1: The Accidental Abara.
Once upon a time, in a vibrant village nestled within the heart of Nigeria, lived an adventurous 11-year-old boy named Femi. Femi's world was a tapestry of love woven by his caring grandparents and his kind hearted auntie. His life took a dramatic turn when his village faced dark times, and he found himself cradled in the safety of his family's warmth after losing his parents. His grandfather, known far and wide for his bountiful harvest, and his grandmother, a beacon of knowledge as the village teacher alongside his auntie, who also shared the noble profession of teaching, became his guiding stars. Mrs. Kolawole, Femi's grandmother, has dedicated over 40 years of her life to teaching, earning the community's appreciation and adoration from her students for her commitment to education. Femi's auntie, Sisi Lola, inherited her passion for teaching from her mother, choosing to continue the family legacy in education. She is a cherished figure within her community, earning love and respect from all who know her. Femi, under the guidance of his grandfather, a revered farmer and the leading supplier of produce in the village, embarks on a transformative journey to the farm. Through this experience, Femi learns the significance of farming, not just as a means of livelihood, but as a vital tradition that sustains their community and connects generations. His grandfather's wisdom and dedication to agriculture instill in Femi a deep appreciation for the land. Femi wished to become a lawyer, a defender of the voiceless, and an African superhero to avenge his parents and shield his people from harm. One fateful day, while helping his grandfather pick the sweetest oranges under the sun's watchful gaze, Femi's life changed forever. An old man as ancient as the land itself appeared under the shade of a mighty tree. With eyes twinkling like stars, he called Femi by name and made an offer that would set the boy on a path of legends. He promised to grant Femi the power to become the superhero he always wanted to be, on one condition: he must vow to use his powers for the good of all. With a heart as pure as morning dew, Femi promised. Suddenly, the world around him shimmered with a bright light, and a surge of strength coursed through his veins. He was transformed. The very next day, as Femi made his way to the farm, he stumbled upon a scene that would mark the beginning of his journey. A woman was in distress, surrounded by men with ill intentions. In that moment, Femi felt the power within him awaken. With a burst of light, he transformed into a superhero, armed with a bow and arrow crafted from the strongest steel. With courage and precision, Femi saved the woman, driving the men away with his newfound might. From that day forward, Femi became the guardian of his village, whether helping his grandfather in the fields by day or safeguarding the dreams of his people by night. He stood as a symbol of hope. Femi, the boy who dreamed of justice, had become a superhero in his own right, protecting his village and honoring the memory of his parents with every brave act. Thus, in the heart of Nigeria, amidst fields of gold, and under the watchful eyes of the stars, a young hero rose.
Chapter 2: Bols' Twisted Faith.
3 years had passed since Femi, blessed by the old man under the banana tree, became a beacon of hope and peace, not only in his village but also in the neighboring ones. However, this harmony was soon to be threatened by Bale Adebayo, an evil leader from a nearby village who envied Femi's powers and sought them for himself. Blinded by greed, Bale Adebayo came up with a plan to steal Femi's superpower, believing that imitating the old man's blessing would solve his problems. In his quest, he encountered Bolu, a 13-year-old boy with a compassionate nature resembling Femi's, who was alone and without family. Unaware of the true intentions, Bolu's sincere quest to find the old man, disguised as a pursuit for a new purpose, was tainted by Bale Adebayo's wicked agenda. Months of waiting under the banana tree, filled with tears and hope, finally led to Bolu's encounter with the old man. Moved by Bolu's story and resilience, the old man blessed him with superpowers, urging him to use them for good. Bolu's excitement took a nosedive when Baale Adebayo's sneaky scheme unraveled, setting the stage for a showdown that would push the limits of the powers granted by the mysterious old man. During the ambush, Bolu, still believing in the goodness of people, unwittingly revealed the old man's words to Bale Adebayo. The evil leader's guise of gratitude was a ruse to capture the old man. Bale Adebayo's true nature was revealed when he snatched a shimmering diamond chain from the old man, believing it to be the source of the powers. With the chain in his grasp, Bale Adebayo transformed, wielding the stolen powers with malevolence. The old man's disappearance left Bolu distraught but determined. With the wisdom imparted by the old man and the newfound powers coursing through his veins, Bolu set out to find Femi. Together, they would need to confront Bale Adebayo, not only to retrieve the stolen chain and restore the old man's presence, but to protect their villages from the tyranny of a power hungry villain.
Stay tuned for more chapters. Bye! My name is Aitunde Kuku. Thanks for watching our channel. Bye!